Welcome back to the channel. Ford Mustang GT. Look, I'm still rocking the cheese graters in the back. We got the big boy tire in the back. Extreme drag. Serene hood. I'm ready to get it. Who in Pennsylvania's around? Let's make some videos. See what it got. I'm ready to run. Five 25th anniversary. She's a beauty. Like, subscribe, comment. Comment what you want to see. You want to see some donuts? You want to see some hole shots? You want to see what's under the hood? You want to see the exhaust? You want to see what I did to the bushings underneath? Naturally aspirated. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Hit me up with what you want to see, what you want to do. I like the patina on it. Let you know what it's about. A lot more to come. You put a Vortex blower on it. I'll have a video on that. Like, subscribe, comment. Till the next one, be good, people.